I don't know how well you're going to be able to see. Maybe you can see this colour of my skin underneath, but any of those little dark black points in the middle there, it's worn through. It's worn through. You have to be really super careful with these. So there are a couple of options I was contemplating. We could, do what I did on previous videos with these, where you cut little copper slivers of tape, wrap it over the other side, bleed right up to the very edge almost, and then use a little blob of conductive ink. That's one way of doing it. The other thing you can do is just cut off maybe a millimetre. Don't cut off to the cut part there, just cut off a little bit, just a millimetre to start with. Because when you push it in, the connections will be a bit further up here. I need to be very slow and careful and try and get it as straight as possible. That's the piece of that ribbon I trimmed off. I don't think you can see that. It is literally barely a millimetre. That's what you want to aim for. As you can see, the quickest way to test these is to just carefully drag your finger along the whole row like that. Switch the caps lock off. But you can see, you can super quick test this like that.